Get ready for an inspiring adventure as we unveil the extraordinary tale of Siemens Limited Switchgear Factory. It's a testament to unwavering passion, resilience, and the remarkable ability to adapt. As we celebrate 50 years of dedicated commitment, our factory has remained the beating heart of electrical infrastructure, igniting a spark that has transformed industries across the globe. Powered by the expertise of our skilled engineers, whose nimble hands and attention to detail are the driving force behind the exceptional quality of our switchgear. They ensure the seamless and reliable flow of electricity across diverse applications, paving the way for innovation and progress. As technology surged forward, we raced ahead in its wake. Embracing the winds of change, we embarked on a transformative path, seamlessly adapting to the ever-evolving needs of the digital age. A few years ago, our factory stood at a crucial crossroad, facing a pivotal moment of survival. In that decisive moment, we made a choice to reinvent ourselves, guided by a simple belief. The path to progress lay in wholeheartedly embracing digitalization and manufacturing cutting-edge global products with steady speed. Through the integration of state-of-the-art technologies, our factory underwent a remarkable evolution that revolutionized our production processes, empowering us to achieve extraordinary levels of efficiency in our deliveries. The cycle times, previously at 21 seconds, were reduced to an impressive 9 seconds. Introducing our unique line of switchgear products, where the artistry of craftsmanship meets the boundless possibilities of digitalization. These notable creations relentlessly fuel industries, empower communities, and illuminate the path towards a future that shines brighter than ever before. Amidst our joyous celebration of 50 years of excellence, we wholeheartedly recognize and appreciate the priceless contributions made by our dedicated employees, esteemed partners, and valued customers. Come and join us as we set sail towards the next chapter of our extraordinary journey, where the horizon is teeming with endless possibilities.